Greetings everyone and welcome back. This is Marco and today we're taking a look at the Canon FD 300mm f5.6. Canon FD lenses have gained a lot of popularity in the last few years amongst professionals and enthusiasts alike. Yet there are some lenses that everyone seems to forget about and end up being left behind, like today's subject, the 300mm f5.6. I believe I made it quite clear in past reviews of Canon FD lenses that I like them, and as you all know, I prefer longer focal lengths, so when I saw this lens in great conditions and at a fair price, well, I had to buy it. Let's take a closer look. The Canon FD 300mm is made out of hard plastic and metal. It weighs around 580 grams. It is 20 centimeters long with a 58mm front thread. Focusing happens internally, so it doesn't get any longer. Well, until you extend the sun hood, bringing it to 26 centimeters. The Aries has 8 blades, the aperture is clicked, and it goes from f5.6 to f32. The focusing ring is textured, wide, smooth, and it turns 320 degrees. Minimum focusing distance is a little less than 3 meters. Flange distance for Canon FD lenses is 42mm. Sharpness wide open is very good and consistent across the frame. Stopping down to f8, it gets even sharper, losing most of the chromatic aberration. And while we're talking about it, chromatic aberration is present wide open and can be distracting on high contrast areas, but as I said, it is mostly gone by f8. As the other Canon FD lenses I reviewed so far, colors are neutral and true to life, and contrast is a bit low. Out of focus areas are soft, and bokeh balls swing between small with some onion rings to big and soft, depending on where you are focusing. Flares and ghosting are extremely well controlled, even when shooting directly towards the sun. And now, let me show you some samples. It shouldn't come as a surprise that this lens is good, given what the other Canon FD lenses I reviewed so far have shown us. Yet, for some reason, I thought it would be subpar. Needless to say, I was wrong. Even wide open, this lens produces great images. Sharp, nice colors, pleasant to look at. Plus, it is lightweight, reliable, and precise. What more can you ask? I understand that 300mm might not be to everyone's taste or use, but if you are building a set of Canon FD lenses, do not sleep on this one, because you would be missing out. Well, that's it. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you for watching. Bye!